Yes, hello everyone. My name is Raskara Denish. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to discuss with you and give you just introductory part of Excel. There are certain key things actually should know when you are actually dealing with Excel. Excel helps you actually to do some certain records like making report card in classes, doing some minor calculation, any other thing that involve what calculation in daily life. Here are the outlines of the appearance of, of an Excel document. We have there are certain functions here, formulas, data, review, and there are certain key things you should even know when you're dealing with Excel. Insert, page layout, formulas, data. Here are, here are some of the few things actually you'll be dealing with if you're actually interacting with an Excel document. Thank you so much. Next time we shall go deep into Excel work. Thank you so much.